Enjoy watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Step into the rustic country kitchens where warmth, charm, and comfort blend seamlessly to create inviting spaces reminiscent of the countryside. Bathed in natural light and adorned with earthy materials, these kitchens offer a respite from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Simple design and a focus on natural materials give rustic country kitchens a timeless appeal. These kitchens, with their stone accents and worn wood, embrace the beauty of imperfection to create genuine, inviting rooms. The rustic kitchen's relationship to nature is its fundamental component. Large windows let light to filter through, illuminating exposed wooden beams and handcrafted furnishings with a warm glow. Every feature, including the farmhouse sink and the reclaimed wood countertops, relates a tale of skill and history. The rustic country kitchen exudes peace and tranquility. These kitchens provide a haven where people may relax and rediscover the ease of country living among the bustle of contemporary life. The smell of freshly baked bread and the soft hum of a kettle on the stove are what characterize the rustic kitchen. It is not necessary to give up style in order to embrace the rustic country look. These kitchens are as gorgeous as they are useful, with everything from large farmhouse tables to quaint breakfast nooks. Every area has an air of effortless elegance because of the meticulous attention to detail and emphasis on natural textures and finishes. Discover the timeless appeal and rustic beauty of country kitchens with our assortment of creative concepts and layouts. With their rustic touches and quaint alcoves, these kitchens provide a haven from the daily grind. So join us as we discover the charm and beauty of these incredible venues. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the rustic charm of country kitchens. We hope these ideas and designs have sparked inspiration for creating your own cozy retreat. Whether it's the warmth of natural materials or the simplicity of rustic accents, may your kitchen become a haven of comfort and style. Happy decorating!